All right, so we're getting ready to put the new door in. We're gonna take the old storm door off, take all the hardware off, get all this stuff taken apart, and then we'll reframe the door, and we will hopefully put it in today.
So that one comes off, bada bing, that one goes on. There we go.
We got our
Chop.
electric working.
Got our new pretty outlets. New pretty outlets that are working. Everything's working. Our fancy chair. Everything's working. So that's good. Oh, and we also put in, watch this, it's really bright. Bam. That's our new bathroom fan. Hear it? I'm not sure about it yet, but it is what it is, right? It is what it is. We're trying to get this old door out, this frame. It's got so much paint and caulk on it. It's a little bit of a struggle fest.
Try not to destroy the siding on the outside. So kind of got to do it gingerly.
Gingerly. This is gingerly construction. I don't think those two go together.
No, that's not the right word.
Well, softly, gingerly, gently. Oh, there we go.
That's one piece.
Yay! Oh, and that's our doggy gate. You like that? When you have to improvise. Here, move it out of the way. When you have to improvise to keep the dogs on the baby porch. Okay, so we finally got the door out. So this was held with, what was it again?
9 3-inch screws.
9 3-inch screws. Very hard to get that piece out. That was challenging, but it's all out. Now we are building our header, and that will go in, and then we also have to put our jack stud in next to our king stud. Did you ever know that there's a is there a queen stud? Huh? We don't know.
All right, that's that. Let's see if it fits. Bingo bango.
Well, that's just fabulous.
We just got to put our jack stud up to hold that.
Put the jack stud in.
Screw it in.
Doop doop.
Then we still got to cut this back.
Cut
Cut back the side.
Cut that back a bit.
And then hopefully we can slide our door in.
And then we have a new front door. Yay!
But the brick mold's not going to work.
That is
We're gonna
not
need
gonna work.
Wider trim on the outside, which isn't a big deal.
No big deal. We can.
We'll figure it out.
Hey, if you did all that and got all that out, that's
That's a
not
challenge.
that's not a big deal.
Okay.
And Graham is supervising, and May May's just nervous. So we're widening the door from 32 to 36. and we had to cut the siding out so we can fit the now 36-inch door.
And then this piece will go back in behind there, just like that, and we'll do a piece of, about a 2.5-inch piece of trim, and not use the brick mold that came on it.
Yeah, and it's just gonna make it easier to just get stuff in and out, and it's good to have a wider door.
All right, door is in. Still gotta do a little more shimming, a little more tightening, put some more screws in it. But it is in finally.
Those are toothpicks for the door.
Shims.
Shims, shimmies, shims. Looks good. That was definitely challenging though.
The old one out was the hardest part.
Yeah. Here, let's go out and take a look at.
So what we're gonna do is we put this back in, we cut the siding back. We're gonna put 2-inch, well, it'll be probably 3-inch trim here. Actually, yeah, it'll be about 3 inches. 3 inches should be perfect. Both sides, we have about a 3/8 reveal. And then on the top, I still gotta fill that in with some sheathing. But all in all, it's in. I'm gonna have to, since we did scoot it over to the right a little bit, I'm just gonna have to add a little piece on there. It's not really the proper way, but we want to make it look even. That's the important thing. And it'll be fine. It's not structural, so once the trim gets on it and everything,
Yay!
it should be,
it's amazing, you know, just what a door, how it changes the look of the front area. It's nice, and then we'll paint it, and then we can get rid of our doggy. Hey, May May. That's our doggy gate. Yeah, they can see through.
Exactly. They like that.
All right, my friends. So that's our door escapade. Lots more to come. Many, many more projects that are coming down the pipeline. So if you like this, hit the like button. If you want to add a comment, and if you think about it, subscribe. That'd be awesome. Thanks to everyone who watches and supports us, and I hope you guys have a great weekend.